If you're looking for smart and useful products, then this video is for you. High-speed USB-C chargers provide efficient power solutions. Before you buy any USB-C chargers for fast charging, you need to see this. In this video, I've found the best USB-C chargers for fast charging of 2026 based on real performance, quality, and value for money. I spent hours researching, comparing features, prices, and real user reviews so you can pick the perfect one without wasting time or money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And for more honest no-fluff tech reviews, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get started. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Dulum's USB-C wall charger. This space-efficient charging duo provides a remarkable 5 ports per unit, combining 2 USB-C and 3 USB-A ports to energize 5 distinct gadgets at once. With a substantial 50W maximum output capacity, it easily outperforms standard wall adapters by simultaneously fueling your smartphones, high-end tablets, and wireless accessories without breaking a sweat. The integrated GaN smart chipset is specifically designed to prevent overcharging and dangerous overheating, while the durable fire-resistant casing adds a critical layer of structural reliability. Its featherlight and ultra-compact profile makes it incredibly simple to slip into a backpack, laptop sleeve, or even a jacket pocket for instant power on the go. This kit serves as the ideal solution for decluttering your nightstand or busy office desk while ensuring every single electronic device in your household has a consistent and rapid power source ready for use. It offers unmatched convenience and speed for modern families or professionals managing a wide array of high-tech gear daily. Moving on to number 2, here's a solid choice: the Heinz fast charging cord for iPhone. This impressive 30W charging kit is a value-driven powerhouse engineered to push an iPhone 17 series battery to 65% in a brief 30-minute window. It comes packaged with an extra-long, 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable that grants you the ultimate flexibility to move around freely while your device remains safely plugged into the wall. Supporting advanced PD 3.0 technology and offering lightning-fast data transfer speeds, it functions flawlessly across a massive range of iPads, the latest iPhones, and even flagship Android Galaxy models. You receive 2 highly durable charging blocks and 2 extended 10-foot cables in this comprehensive bundle, providing consistent high-speed charging for both your home workstation and your mobile travel kit. With built-in safety safeguards guarding against short circuits and internal overheating, it remains a thoroughly dependable and cost-effective choice for modern families owning multiple power-hungry mobile devices. It delivers a perfect harmony of raw performance and daily convenience for all your essential charging requirements regardless of your location. At number 3, we're looking at a powerful option: the World USB-C iPhone fast charger. This 45W dual-port power hub is a legitimate performance beast, capable of reviving an iPhone 16 Pro Max to 70% in just half an hour of charging time. It intelligently distributes and manages energy across 2 completely independent USB-C ports, making it the perfect choice for power users who need to fuel multiple devices simultaneously. The bundle features massive 10-foot braided cables that provide incredible physical freedom when charging across expansive living rooms, in bed, or behind heavy office furniture. Utilizing the latest high-efficiency GaN technology, the charger remains surprisingly cool and compact while supporting up to 100W for broader device compatibility and high-speed file transfers. This specific kit effectively eliminates the annoying limitations of standard short cords while delivering professional-grade charging speeds for your modern smartphone and tablet collections. It stands as a highly versatile and user-friendly charging solution that guarantees a safe, reliable, and incredibly fast energy experience for all of your premium high-end electronics. Coming in at number 4, this one really stands out: the Mikio USB-C charging station. Boasting a staggering 260W total power output, this 7-in-1 desktop command center features 5 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports for the ultimate professional workstation organization. 2 dedicated 65W ports are powerful enough to easily sustain high-performance laptops like the MacBook Air or Pro, while your other mobile gadgets charge at peak speeds in the background. The premium aviation-grade aluminum chassis ensures the unit stays firmly planted on your desk surface without sliding or tipping over under the weight of several heavy power cables. Advanced GaN technology keeps the entire unit efficient and remarkably cool to the touch, even when all 7 ports are actively delivering maximum wattage to your diverse electronic devices. This station successfully replaces a messy pile of individual wall chargers with one elegant, high-capacity solution protected by a rigorous 7-layer safety monitoring system for your total peace of mind. It is a reliable and clutter-free choice for anyone requiring fast, safe, and highly efficient charging for an entire multi-device workstation or home office setup. And taking the top spot at number 5, we have the Satechi 145W GaN travel charger. Satechi has delivered a sophisticated, high-performance travel masterpiece featuring 145W of total power distributed through 4 highly flexible USB-C PD ports. The primary 2 ports support the cutting-edge power delivery 3.1 standards, pushing out a massive 140W, which is absolutely perfect for high-end laptops like the MacBook Pro or demanding gaming notebooks. Engineered with innovative graphene insulation and next-gen GaN technology, it manages heat dissipation exceptionally well to keep your sensitive internal electronics safe during extended, high-intensity charging cycles. The true standout feature for international travelers is the inclusion of 4 interchangeable global travel adapters and a stylish mesh carrying bag for maximum portability. It handles everything from compact tablets to power-hungry workstations with absolute ease, making it the only charging brick you will ever need for an overseas adventure or a local daily commute. This is a truly premium, reliable, all-in-one charging solution designed specifically for the modern tech enthusiast who is constantly on the move across different continents. And that's it for today. If this video helped you find the perfect product, don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on amazing gadgets, smart reviews, and hidden tech deals. Got any questions or want a specific product reviewed? Drop it in the comments, we read every single one. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase.